Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome. Come in, come choose, sit down, have some tea, relax, watch me do this look, because that's what I do. I do some makeup looks, some hair. I haven't put any hair, well, I have put some hair ones up, but I do hair vlogs here and there and whatnot. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if you're new. Hey, hi, hey, hi. Comment down below, say hello, I'll say hello back. I just wanted to show you guys, so normally I just buy random brushes from wherever, and that's how I've built up my collection. And recently I was like, okay, I need new brushes, but I don't want to be spending a big off money. So I bought some lashes. Why am I saying lashes? I bought some brushes off Amazon, and they came in this little like a pouch thing. The name of it is, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Fawn. But yeah, this is what it comes in. Pink on the inside, just a normal pouch. It's got a zip. Oops. It's got a zip back there, and the brushes that I got with it were 12 in the pack. So I'm going to show you guys the brushes. Alright, so here are all the brushes that came in this pouch. There's 12 brushes. Obviously you've got your foundation brush, your powder brush, lots of eyeshadow brushes. So this is good for someone that doesn't want to obviously spend a lot of money, but obviously get what they want to get, like all the brushes. As I use them in the video, you will see what I think about them. I do think they are really soft and they feel really nice on the face. They do the job. So yeah, if you guys want to purchase, I'll probably leave the link down below if you guys want to click it and purchase it. And yeah, so this is the look. As you know by the title, this is a Valentine's Day look for when your man want to take you on a date, or the guy that you like wants to take you on a date. How about that? If you want to see exactly how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so the first brush I'm going to start with is this one, like the one I would use to do my eyebrows. So all I'm going to do is fill in the outside to brighten it up a bit. Wow, it's sharp, isn't it? Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is put concealer on my eyes so it's ready for when I put on my eyeshadow. And I'm going to use, what brush shall I use? I'll use this one because this is the brush that I'm going to use for my concealer down here. So, and the concealer that I used is the Makeup Rev, and this shade is in the color C12. Next I'm going to dab a bit of the banana powder on there to set it. This is the Makeup Rev banana powder. This is the MUA Palette 5 Vixen, and I'm going to be using this color. So I'm going to take a swirl, dust it off, and start this color in my crease. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I'm scared to order online, only because I don't want when I get the product to be like, oh no, it's rubbish. And then obviously I would have wasted my money. I literally left this in my cart on Amazon for about 2 days before I actually bought it. If not, then I'm just like, oh gosh, this could be some kind of fraud business again. I like this. It comes out like kind of peachy. I don't know if you guys can see. Right, the next color I'm going to be using is from my Sleep palette, and it will be, this palette is the Garden of Eden palette. I'm going to be using this color here. I'm going to put this in my outer V. So I'm going to switch brushes. I specifically picked up this brush so I can go into my crease with it. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush just to blend out any lines and blend the colours together. Right, so I'm going to take this brush here and I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to go back in with this MUA palette and I'm going to be using this colour. It's like a rose, I would say it's like a rose gold colour. This is a nice colour actually. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark colour I used on my outer crease and just put it in here to blend the colours together. I'm just going to dip a bit of that first colour and I'm just going to go in with it again just to blend it all in. I'm going to make it a pinch darker by using a dark brown and just tapping that in literally into the crease at the end. Alright, so my eyes are done. The primer that I'm using is this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. First, I'm going to use some of the Revolution Concealer, and this is in the colour C13. I'm just going to put it on some of my problem areas. I'm just going to blend it in. So I'm going to use my Revlon foundation in the colour Caramel for Hana. And I've just put a bit on my hand. I'm going to go in with this one and I'm just going to grab a bit of it. So far so good, smooth application. After I've done that, I'm going to go in with my concealer. So I've already used this to put on my eyelids, and this is the Makeup Rev in the colour C12. So I'm going to go and conceal under my eyes. Gonna do my forehead, my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm going to contour at the same time. So I'm going to blend this out. Now I normally use my beauty blender for this, but obviously I'm testing out these brushes, so I love this Makeup Rev concealer. Such full coverage, and it has my under eye looking like what do you guys use to blend out your concealer with? Because I feel like this is so long. Now I'm going to put on my banana powder from Makeup Rev. Get that in there. Right, the next one I'm going to be using is this brush. This is like an angled brush, which will be good for, this can use as your blush brush, but I don't really use blush, so I'm going to use it as my contour so it can just create some cheekbones for me. So yeah, while my face is setting, which is not going to be long, I'm going to just use this to blend out my contour. So I'm gonna use this brush because I don't think I'll be using it. The only thing I will use this brush for is maybe under my eye. So I'm just gonna them sexy faces there. Right, I'm running out of brushes now, so I'm gonna use one of my old brushes to get rid of all this excess. So I'm going to take that same brush that I used for my contour and I'm going to bronzer it. So I'm going to use Barry Chisel Cheeks Contour Kit and I'm going to use the middle colour. Right, so next I am going to use my face powder and I'm going to use this last fluffy brush Really nice, really soft brush. I'm going to use this MAC. This is in the color dark golden, and I'm going to take a swirl and just go over everything on my face. Oh, soft, yeah. I'm going to go for the peachy color, and I'm just going to go under my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to put on some highlighter. Right, the highlighter that I'm going to go for is Makeup Revolution in the color Golden Lights. So I'm going to use this other fluffy brush. I'm just going to place that there. Right, to swirl mine in up. We'll take a bit of that and put on the inner corner of my eyes. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is my lips. So I'm going to go in with this red lip liner from MUA called Brooding Plum. I'm going to go in the middle. See if we can do like a little ombre color. So I'm going to go in with this pink. This is the MAC Viva Glam Nicki Minaj. So I'm going to go with that in the middle. Oh my gosh. I like never wear red lipstick, and I really like this color on me. I like it. Alright, this is the Barry matte finish fixing spray, or setting spray I should say, and I'm going to spray that. So guys, this is the finishing look of the look I was going for Valentine's Day, and as you saw that I used these new brushes that I've got off Amazon for, I think they were $13.99, so that's not too bad. A full set of 12 brushes, and they're so soft, they feel nice on the face, so it's not too bad then obviously spending so much coins to buy brushes that are kind of like the same. But I think the brushes are really good. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and I hope you guys are subscribed. Please subscribe, because I'm going to have more videos for you guys, and I'm making sure that I am banging these videos out weekly so I can have them up for you guys to view. Anyways, I'm going to go now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.